guys, welcome back to Heidi's house. If you don't already know me, my name is Heidi and this is my house. I'm bringing you today two unboxings from Birkenstocks. It's their new suede fall colors. They have several of them out. I don't own up to this point a pair of suede Birkenstocks. I understand they're really the most soft and comfortable on the top of your feet. I do own several others. And just real quick, I just want to show you my outfit of the day because I'm wearing the Birkenstock bend with them. Those are the athletic sneakers. I am in love with them. I will post the video somewhere up here so you can catch it. It's the unboxing and like a little bit of the first impressions and some of a review. And I am in love with them. I've been wearing them to work all week with little office dresses. I'm wearing this denim t-shirt dress that I picked up. I think it was TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It was about $9.99. I got it a couple years ago. But I paired it with this little brown belt to give it a waistline and look a little more professional in the office. And I wore it today with my Birkenstock Bends. And let me tell you, every single patient that came in today gave me a compliment on these. They look, they looked really cute. Yeah, everyone thought they were kind of like the Adidas. So I just want to let you know you can wear the Birkenstock Bends with little cute office outfits or going out for walks or running errands or going to the fair. These are the all leather white ones. Okay, got one pair of the new suede color for late summer, early fall from Birkenstock, and another pair from Zappos in different color. One color is called Thyme and the other one is called Rose. So as always, I'll put the montage on the screen and the information down below. So let's look at the one from Zappos first. So Zappos box, and then one of these are going back. I don't need two. I think I already know which one is going back, but you open it up. Traditional Birkenstock packaging, and I took this off already, but this is around the buckle. It's kind of like their little card with the material. So the first pair is the Arizona, and the color is called Light Rose. And as per usual, I am a 36, which is 5.5, and it is in the narrow fit. It's gonna come backwards on the screen, but there you go. And what they look like inside. So they call these Rose, and they are suede, and they have kind of like we do one at a time. They have somewhat of a sparkle to them. And if you can see ever so slightly, it's kind of like an evanescent sparkle. Really super pretty. The inside footbed, the suede footbed, it's not the same color as the Rose. This is, I want to say like a neutral nude pale pink. So depending on your skin tone, I have light medium olive skin. It pulls a little more pink on me, as you can see. I'll talk about the buckle in a minute. If you have really cool tone skin, this may pull a little more neutral on you because it's going to match your skin tone. So the inside of the footbed is a nude, kind of like a cool nude color with a pink undertone. It's lighter than the suede upper. The solid footbed means it's narrow, 36. And this is the original footbed. It is not the soft. I prefer the original footbed. I have a video on that. I'll put that up somewhere about the differences between the hard footbed, the original footbed, and the soft footbed. So I think you get much more of an orthopedic ride out of the original footbed. I think it's better for your feet once you get used to it and break it in. I think they last longer, they don't retain smell, and the list goes on and on. But I do own a pair of soft, and they're just as fine too. I call them the gateway drug. So has the same amount of holes for your buckle. And the buckles are what they call like a copper rose gold, super pretty. There's the embossing, it says Birkenstock. You can kind of really see the sheen, like an iridescent, super pretty. And the sole is like a pale rose pink to match the upper. And there's the bottom. I'm in front of natural light. I think the concern I have with these is I see this pale pink pulling a lot of grunge and dirt very easily. I don't really care about the footbed because once you break it in, your toes, your feet and your toes mold, and the footbed molds to your feet and toes, and usually you're going to place your foot the same place every time, and it covers up the impression that your foot made. And I have a video on how to clean with a suede brush that really brings the footbed back to life too, if you're interested in that. But I just think these are not gonna hold up, but they are super pretty. And because of the tone, they're cute for spring and summer too. The rose, these are the new suede Birkenstock in light rose with the sparkle. I believe they have these in a soft footbed, a suede pink soft footbed with no sparkle. The other one actually I got from the Birkenstock website because Zappos did not have this color. I guess I never really ordered anything from Birkenstock. It comes with your receipt and a little pamphlet that says share the journey. I guess you can post a picture. It's really cute. And a sticker. So these were the complementary color to the light rose, and it's called the Arizona in the color Thyme. Oh, same type of packaging. Of course it comes from them. I love these. I love these. Green is my favorite color because on me with my skin tone, green I wear as my beige, as neutral. I love these. I can tell right now. I'm probably gonna send the pink back. In the box, it just has information on our natural leather products. So when I did the research on the suede is going to stretch more. It's going to fit you bigger because there's more pull to the suede. It's softer. So keep that in mind. If you, like usually my Birkenstocks I have on like the second or third hole. I suspect these I'm probably going to have on the last hole, if not have to make another hole. Oh my goodness. Guys, you can really see the sparkle in these. These are beautiful. I love these. Okay, let's look at these real quick and then we'll compare them to the pink. So they call these Thyme, and it is a green suede, a muted green suede, like the spice thyme, with that sparkle. It's coming off a lot on screen, but in real person, it's it's quite understated, which is perfect because it's just the right amount of balance to have a little sparkle, a little something va-va-voom, but still understated. But in front of the window on camera, it's like the Wizard of Oz sparkle. But it's really not like that. So same structure, original footbed, 36 narrow, beautiful shade. This is a cooler color, green, and they opted for silver hardware instead of gold or brass or rose gold. And I think that was a good choice since this color is a cooler color. I prefer gold on my skin tone, or rose gold, but I have pretty neutral color skin, so I can pull off silver. The footbed is more of a gray taupe, which is nice. It complements it well, and I think that'll wear pretty well. They smell divine. Oh my gosh. They opted for a black sole under the cork bed and same bottom. So here these are one more time. I'll try them on quick too. God help y'all, because I don't have a pedicure. I don't really like pedicures. So here they are side by side. What do you guys think? Which ones do you like better? So the light rose with the iridescent sparkle and rose gold hardware, or the beautiful Thyme ones with the silver hardware. I like these. But let me try them on and let's see. So that's about it, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression, and stay tuned to see which one I wind up keeping and which one I return, and I'll do a wear and tear update because it should be interesting, maybe comparing the suede to like the oiled leather, the suede to the patent leather one that I have, which I love.